if you're new here and if you're coming back, then you know that this video is following up a video called DIY Dashboards for Disc-Bound and Happy Planner Systems. In that video, I shared an overview of well, I would say quite a few dashboards and covers that I have handmade for my disc-bound system. I like to upcycle Happy Planners or Maggie Holmes Planner, and today I'm just going to show you a little bit of a process. I did this process video, I want to say late September, early October. I forgot that I filmed it, and I just wanted to get it on here and show you that you can easily do this just with a few little paper crafting items. And paper crafting is easy and open-ended. You can make it fancy, you can make it super simple. This is on the simple side, outside of the fact that I do add stitching. So what you saw in the beginning was I pre-cut cardstock. Brain fog. I pre-cut cardstock down to the sizes of the dashboards that I want. You know, when I'm just maybe watching a show or something, I don't really know what to do creatively. Here I'm showing you the glue. I will link that below. I'll just make dashboards, and I use the cardstock as a base for whatever I am going to create. So sometimes I'll put two together. Sometimes I will use one, and then here I'm adding other paper on top of that. I also have been known to upcycle actual Happy Planner dashboards that maybe I didn't use in the planner, or maybe I didn't like and I was pulling it out and covering it. So like if you're a big time Happy Planner or disc-bound planner person, and you know you have your planners from like 4 years ago or something, and one, you didn't use them, absolutely upcycle the dashboards and the rings and anything else you can pull out of that. And then also make sure you save the covers, because the covers are fantastic for, you know, giving you some sturdiness and a base for, you know, writing in the Bible or writing in your journal or anything that you may have something lumpy underneath of. So there's a couple little tips there. Okay, so let me share this set real quick in case you wanted to pick it up. This is called Light Up the Night. This is a digital set by Brave Little Tailor for Illustrated Faith. I am an Illustrated Faith creative team member, and I have been creating for Taylor, I want to say, for a couple years, and I just love her stuff. So say you're watching this video and you're not a Christian, you're not into Bible journaling, you could still pick up this set for Halloween. You could pick this set up to make birthday cards with. There's a lot of different things. I really think everyone can open like the blinders off their eyes, and if you look around, you can like see creative things out of a lot of different items. So I wanted to leave this in here. These are Tim Holtz serrated scissors, and I fussy cut all my items right now, so I left this in here because that's a tiny little antenna. And the way to fussy cut, if you don't know, is you move the paper. So you have your scissors there and you just move the paper around, and it makes it so you can go in and get those little pieces. That's a great tip, something that I learned early on. Here I'm bringing in, this is double-sided foam roll. I used to only use pop dots, and let me tell you, if you are a pop dot person, you like to punch things up off your page, foam rolls are gonna be your friends. I have them in 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 an inch, and you get so much more bang for your buck with the foam rolls versus the pop dots, and you can cut it at any length, as you can see there. When I am putting pop dots behind something like on this, where I know I'm going to be lifting items up, I am very careful to kind of have an idea of how I want things laid out. That way I don't necessarily tape down or pop dot down that area, and I can shove stuff underneath. You can always go back and pull things up if you need to, but your life will be a lot simpler if you have a little bit of an idea of where things are going. Okay, so let me be totally honest with you. This video, yeah, I got it trimmed down to like 6-7 minutes, but girlfriends, it probably took me an hour to put this all together. I am one that likes to move stuff around and rearrange and just get them in their perfect little spots. So just know, when you see a video or a post or anything, it's probably not done that quickly, at least not for me. Yeah, definitely not from me. So now I'm kind of laying everything down. I also wanted to say, like, yes, I'm using this in a happy planner, a discbound planner, but you could literally make your own dashboards. Like, say you're in school and you're studying and you just want to have a cute little dashboard or front cover for like your notes. You can make it for that. If you have an A5 binder, you could use the hole punches and, you know, change things up that way. If you're a fussy cutting cutie and you're here, first of all, let me know below, but you could, you know, make your own little dashboards and move Kelly's stuff around and make all kinds of cute things. So I'm gonna be wrapping up here in a minute. Here are some little like circles that was in Taylor's set. I'll give you a real little tip here. First of all, I only took art in high school, but I was a florist for a while, and when you put things in odd numbers and in triangles, it really looks good. Hence the circles and hence the paper. But that's it, my friends. Here's a little process. I'll be back soon, and God bless each and every single one of you. Thank you for being here. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe, and I will see you soon.